this is my gold. Look,
How did you get the gold?
because using the dirt
What dirt?
and that water, so I can make it to gold and plate it, right?
How will you get the gold out?
Because
Even though it looks like actual gold to me, and you got it from this, right? This thing.
yeah, we
I
get
mean
paid.
the sand here you see, it's all
Paid.
inside, all like dirt, just pure dirt.
Wait, let me see.
He got it all out of there.
Yeah,
I don't know how did he got gold specks out of here,
plus
but maybe they're fake.
I have to put it out the water. Okay, now I'm finding them. This is how I put it out, water out. So I mix it out like this.
How will you get the gold out?
We don't need to get the gold out. Oh,
mean,
I
you could
see
sell
one
it.
ruby. I see one ruby. Plus I mix it. I get water again. That looks funny, right? Then I mix it like this.
How don't you?
Get
Now it's all in the middle. Try to get the gold out.
Why?
I mean, there is a reason.
We
because
don't need-
You could sell it.
Go ask them what we do.
What would you do with this gold?
I want to sell it to someone else to buy toys.
I mean, if you want to sell this gold, you need to get them out. Nobody's gonna take the dirt with it.
No, they just take the gold.
Okay, how about I think
I take the dirt, I make more dirt and then to manage.
this gold is not enough for a carat. Well, 18 carats of gold is like literally a lot.
Plus, for terrace, I don't know how much for terrace.
My goodness gracious.
Plus, I make
There is some gold I don't think
Let
it's
me
gold,
see.
maybe it's just little specks of stuff. Just think about this.
Alright.
Ruining all this like money things. This is
Daddy,
one of my little
tell something.
memories from a long time
plus
ago.
dice. I have to mix it like this again.
Mix it.
Then
How do you know
forward.
that there is a gold?
Then forward some little
How do you
bit.
know that was gold? How the heck did you get these ideas?
Because I can see with my eyes and it's so big. When
Your eyes so big.
when my eyes are like big like this, then I can see.
Your eyes doesn't have to be big to see too much.
I can still see when not my eyes big.
What?
I want to see your big eye. That you could see that. Alright.
You can see my eyes big.
So, what are you looking actually? Go ask me.
What are you actually looking for? I mean, we know you're looking for gold, but I mean, what are you gonna do with the gold? We already asked that, but I mean, how?
If I get it out, it makes a mess. And my dad is going to hit me and my mom. I hate that thing.
What?
Yes.
Get another bowl and scoop it out.
Then I use this.
So how many gold
And I
you have
put it
now?
all the things, yucky things here. Plus I
So
just...
baby found the gold.
Guys, I'm finding gold right now.
I have no
What's
idea.
exactly?
I have
So-
no idea what to do. You're just look. What is he doing? Putting in another one. Putting another one. What is he doing? He's not even skidding out. What is the word? I don't care. He's skidding out the dirt, and how does he do it?
gold now.
He's doing it the same thing too. I have no idea how does
Ask him the
this.
question too.
My goodness.
What in the world are you doing?
Okay, I found something.
Okay, let me tell you what Abdur Rahman did. First of all, he put all of that crap dirt inside here, put some water inside, and then put it in the deep freezer and made it ice. Now he broke it and put that again, and he's repeating the process thousands of times.
I found diamond.
So go say something.
I
think we're rich.
Is that a coal? Is that what?
Different coal.
Whoa. Oh, it's fake.
Is it fake or real?
I don't know, it's fake. Looks fake to me.
You're going to the shop for soda.
Of course this is fake. Because this is the little diamond part, but look at the behind.
Alright, say something about your invention.
Hang on.
He makes tons of inventions for a little reason.
I can make fun.
One time he was like a boring little kid. Now he became an inventor. I have no idea.
Let me get this dirt out. Ow. Let me see your gold. Oh my god, you found it. Gold? That's just nothing. You didn't find any gold.
Get a strainer or something. Get a strainer.
Oh, I can see your gold.
But Abdur Rahman said something.
Okay, I think we're rich.
You're going to finish the video. Come on.
So, bye guys, everyone. I think we're rich right now. So, like, subscribe, and like. So we get even more richer. Bye. Yes.
Bye. Bye bye.
I can be rich.